Good day to you, Madam. I'm Glody Alcantara. I'm 24 years old, single. I'm high school graduate. I have an experience in Philippines, 2 years. I take care of 3 children, 12, 10, and 3 years old. They two adults, yes, and I'm cooking, cleaning, household, and let's take care of the children. And I'm go to Hong Kong 8 months. I'm 8 months in my employer. They terminated me because they said I am not suitable to them. Here in Hong Kong, I'm 4 children, 1,000 square meter, up and down, and my employer is, my mom is stay at home, 2 adults, and 4 children. I'm cooking here in Hong Kong, car washing, household, and then take care of the children. I wake up 5:35 a.m. and then sleep 12 a.m. And please, ma'am, please hire me. I am Glody Alcantara. Please hire me, and I will do my best, my very best, all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.